The Sonamura Police achieved a significant breakthrough by seizing 10 kilograms of dry cannabis within 11 abandoned packages in the Bolerdhepa area during a routine mobile patrol. According to official estimates, the market value of the confiscated contraband is approximately ₹2 lakh. During a routine mobile patrol, the Sonamura Police achieved a significant breakthrough by seizing 10 kilograms of dry cannabis in the Bolerdhepa area. The narcotics were discovered within 11 abandoned packages and subsequently confiscated by authorities. According to official police reports, the estimated market value of the seized contraband is approximately ₹2 lakh. Authorities have initiated a formal investigation into the matter to determine the circumstances surrounding the incident. Pure report, Chini Khorang.